Class 9, Chapter 4, Linear Equations in two variables. Equation of lines. Today we studied about equation of lines parallel to coordinate axes. Exercise 4.4. First, we studied about equation of line parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Suppose you consider any equation, let equation be x minus 2 is equal to 0. So here what is the value of x is 2. Consider on number line. If you draw on equation of y parallel to y-axis, draw in two variables. First we draw in one variable. If I draw in one variable, that is on number line. How will you draw on one variable? Number line. Simple, we draw on number line. Draw a straight line extended in both directions, taking midpoint as origin. On the right hand side there is a positive points and left hand side negative. So x is equal to 2 is this point. X is equal to 2. This is the one variable. Now in coordinate axis in Cartesian plane in two variables, how will you draw in two variables? So we can write the equation. Here you can see that what is 0? Y is 0 and general form of equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So we convert this equation in this form into variable. So here x is 1, you can write as 1x plus 0y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you plot this equation in two variables, that is in Cartesian plane. Draw a Cartesian plane, x-axis, y-axis, intersecting point is origin. Now 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. Taking scale on x-axis and y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit you can take. So minus 1, minus 2. So line parallel to x, line parallel to y-axis. X is equal to 2. This is x is equal to 2. This point is 2, 0. And you see that this is a line x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the line x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2. This distance is 2. You see here the distance 2 is fixed. 2, 0 is fixed. This point is called 2, 2. This point is called 2, minus 2. So x-axis is fixed, that is 2, and y-axis is changed. So this is the line passing through 2 and y is 0 and it is parallel to y-axis. This line is parallel to y-axis. Now draw a line parallel to x-axis. Draw a line parallel to parallel to x-axis. So let equation I will take, let equation be, in this I will take y plus y minus 2 is equal to y plus 2 is equal to 0. Suppose y plus 2 is equal to 0. What is the x here? 0. So the equation of line you can plot y minus 2. So it is downward to the x-axis. Equation parallel to the x-axis. First we draw in one variable that is on number line. So draw a straight line. This is 0 extended in both directions. So it is 1. minus 1, 1, 2. So this is called y is equal to minus 2. Now in two variables, second, in two variables, draw a Cartesian plane. This is x axis, y axis, x dash, y dash. This is origin. Now we have to plot y is equal to minus 2. So we can write in the form of, here x is 0. So we are going to plot equation 0x plus 1y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now 1, 2, scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Line is parallel to x axis and point is y comma minus 2. So this point is y is a minus 2. So point क्या हो जाएगा 0 comma minus 2, x is 0. If a line is parallel to x axis, then point x is 0. So this is 0 comma minus 2. Draw a line. So here x is 0. What is this point? What is this point? 0 comma 0, what is this point? If you take this point, what is this? Here x is 2, x is 0 and y is minus 2. So this point is 2 comma minus 2 and this point is minus 2 comma minus 2. So we see that x are changing but y are fixed. So this is a line parallel to x axis. This distance is called, this is the line, is y is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to minus 2 and this distance is minus 2. General form, you can say that general form y is equal to a. A line parallel to x axis is y is equal to a or y is equal to minus a. Downside minus a, upside is a. Now we will start question number first. Give geometric representation of y is equal to 3, one variable, second, two variable. So in one variable we show a line on number line. So draw a line. This is origin O, right side positive points, left side negative points. So y is equal to 3 is this point. This is on number line. Now in two variables we see that we have to write in this form, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or draw a Cartesian plane. Here x is not there here, so we will write 0 into x, coefficient of y is 1y and c is 3. So when you transpose it, you can write minus. So minus 3 is equal to 0. Now plot it. Draw a coordinate axis, x axis, y axis, x dash, y dash. This is origin. Taking scale on x axis, y axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Now add 3 तक जाना 3. Now the line we have to draw y is equal to 3. Y x तो 0 हो गया, मतलब पॉइंट कौन सा प्लॉट करना है आपको? y is equal to 3. So it is 0 comma 3. x तो 0 है. So this is the line. This is the line y is equal to 3. This is 0 comma 3. Here 3 is fixed, but x coordinate is changing. 3 is fixed. That's why it is a line parallel to x-axis. It is 2 variable and it is 1 variable. Now I will take question number 2. Same question, but equations are changing. Question is same, equation is different. That is question number 2. Give the geometric representation of equation दी हुई है 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 in one variable, second in two variable, in one variable and two variable. So for here, what is here, which variable is not there? ax plus by plus c में y नहीं है, तो y क्या है? 0 है. So it is the line, अगर y 0 है तो it is the line parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis. y 0 है, parallel to x axis. To solve it, 2x is equal to minus 9, x is equal to minus 9 by 2. इसको काटेंगे तो minus 4.5. x is equal to minus 4.5. One variable में देखिए, one variable that is on number line. One variable means number line. Draw a line. Origin 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So the point is here minus 4.5. This is the point. This is called x is equal to minus 4.5. Now in two variables. Two variables में first we write in the form of ax plus b, so we can write 0y plus 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. You can make a table also if you want to do it. In two variable you can make a table also. xy, here y is equal to 0, then x is equal to what? Y is equal to 0, x is minus 4.5. So if we see that y to 0 ही रहेगा and value of x are changing. See here. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin, and scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This is y x dash. Now point is minus 4.5. X is what? This is the point. Y is 0. You have to draw minus 4.5 comma 0. So this is the point and this is the line. So this is the line. X is equal to minus 4.5. So this point is minus 4.5 comma 0. If you take any other point, suppose you take this point. What is this point? इस point पे क्या minus 4.5 तो फिक्स ही रहेगा और y क्या आ रहा है 2 आ जाएगा. minus 4.5 and you can take another point here. So which point is fixed? X point is fixed. X point is fixed on the line. X point is fixed on the. Question third. Draw the graph of equation. Draw graph of equation represented by the line. Represent by line which is parallel to x-axis, and is 4 unit above it, 4 unit above it, parallel to x axis and 4 unit above it. So this is a Cartesian plane x, y, origin, x dash. So x 4 unit above it, parallel to x axis, and it means this is a line parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis is y0. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So the point is parallel to x axis, x to 0 हो गया. So this is the line parallel to x axis and it is 0, 4 or y is equal to 4. You can write in this way also, 0 into x plus 1y minus 4 is equal to 0. Or you can draw a table x or y. Here x is 0, y 4. If you take any point on the line, suppose 1, 2, 3, this is what? 2, 4. Here what is fixed? Y तो फिक्स ही रहेगा 4, 4, 4. So x चेंज होता रहेगा. x बोले 2 ले लो, 2 into 0 तो 0 ही रहेगा. कुछ भी ले लीजिए x की वैल्यू तो y is equal to 4 ही देगा. So this is the graph of the line. Question 4. ABCD is a square. Coordinates of A and C are -1, -1, 1, 1. Write coordinates of B and D. Write coordinates of B and D. Also write equations of all sides of square ABCD. Now, first we plot the point -1, 1 and 1, 1 in the Cartesian plane. Draw a Cartesian plane. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin, this is x dash, this is y dash. Now scale 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. 1, 2, 1, -1, -2, 1, 2, -1, -2. Now see here, what is the first point? What is A? A is -1, 1. A is given to you -1, -1. C is given to you 1, 1. So A is -1, 1. It is comes in third quadrant. -1, 1. This is A. -1, 1. And 1, 1 is in the first quadrant. 1, 1. See, here it is 1, 1. That is point C, 1, 1. Now make a square. If you make a square, what is the point B? B क्या होगा? Same होगा. Reflection करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? It is this point. 1, -1. This is B. B is 1, -1. Reflection of C on D. इधर लेंगे D, C के अपोजिट. तो क्या सेम रहेगा? Y तो सेम रहेगा, डिस्टेंस तो सेम रहेगा. इधर डायरेक्शन इधर हो जाएगा. 1 का क्या हो जाएगा? -1. So D becomes -1 and 1. D becomes -1 and 1. Now join the points A to B, B to C, C to D, C to D and D to A. It is a square. Now write the equation. You see You see the board A, B, C, D. Okay. You see the board A, B, C, D. Now write the equation. Write equations. Now, what is the equation of A, B? Equation of A, B की equation क्या होगी? A, B क्या line है? देखिए A, B is line parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis means y is equal to -1. A, B हो जाएगा y is equal to this distance is -1. And what is the equation of CD? CD is also parallel to x axis but its upward direction positive होगी. So y is equal to 1. What is the equation of BC? BC ये वाली दूरी BC, it is parallel to y axis, so it is x is equal to 1. And what is the equation of CAD? Equation of AD, it is also parallel to y axis. It is also parallel to y axis, and the distance is how much from y axis? 1. So x is equal to, and in left direction x dash की तरफ है, तो x is equal to -1.